Hello all, welcome to the YouTube channel of Rebus. We have a very important announcement today. But before we get to that, let us look at the current state of the construction industry and its processes. The construction process include shop drawings, material submittal, technical submittal, MIR, RFI and WIR. We have stakeholders for each process, decision makers, supervisors and workers. Each of these responsibilities are managed by different people in different departments who never get to work together or collaborate, though they all work for the same purpose. The documents prepared by each department, whether it be project administration, the QA/QC, engineering or planning teams, are all stored separately in their own silos. There is a risk of error in storage, transmission and access. These are definitely problems that need to be addressed. And is there a solution? I'm Shaolin Christie, Business Development Specialist of Rebus, a company that has been at the forefront of construction and architectural design for over 3 decades, playing a key role in making the United Arab Emirates what it is today. The company is led by Francis Christie Boy, a tech visionary with nearly 27 years of experience, who has brought such prestigious projects as the Dubai Mall, Dubai International Airport, Baraka Nuclear Power Plant and Abu Dhabi International Airport Terminal A to completion. And just how was Francis part of the solution? Francis, before anyone else, realized that the construction industry could benefit from the better quality control, deeper insights and higher cost savings too. In a journey of continuous trial and error and constantly remolding his own ideas, he came upon the solution for all the problems the construction industry was facing. He was able to design something that could streamline projects and elevate the construction experience like nothing else before it. He was guided by the golden rule for every business: put yourself in the shoes of the customer. How do we achieve this in the construction industry? In the world of construction, precision and efficiency are the building blocks of success. We move from manual, error-prone and time-consuming processes to a fully digital workflow. And when you do select a software for managing a construction project, you must pick something that would ensure simplicity without compromising on powerful functionalities. Accessible from any device, something that would put you in control of your projects. CloseoutSoft, a complete software to lead construction from planning to completion. This software helps you to monitor the entire construction process right from engineering to handover and closeout, all in a single software. Okay, enough with the talk. I'm sure you are intrigued to know more about the software. So here is a look at its features. CloseoutSoft enables paperless submittals that come with so many benefits that we'd run out of space just listing them down for you. All we'd say is, thank God.
It provides faster processing without the risk of human error. There is no need for physical storage space, and it is a lot easier to manage. It is easy to track and trace through the entire cycle. It is easy to maintain data integrity, thanks to robust security measures.
You just couldn't ask for more. But you must as a customer. Starting with the module we feel is perhaps the most important and crucial of them all. Yes, I'm talking about QA/QC processes in the construction. You can now be both proactive, predict possible errors in implementation early in construction, and be reactive. Detect defects in final build when it comes to your construction project. Yes, quality assurance and quality control processes can now be digitally inspected end-to-end and by anyone, anywhere, all thanks to CloseoutSoft.
All inspections are now accessible by both contractors and consultants. It is easier to ensure compliance, be it in quality control or documentation of processes. Design reviews and site assessments, made possible within the software, helps to ensure alignment with specifications. Issues can be identified early in the processes, minimizing the risk of costly rework. Compliance statements are auto-generated, and they can be updated by any party involved.
Now, when was the last time you got a notification on your phone that really helped? From reminders from an important meeting to updates on your bank account after a shopping spree. Notifications can tell you a lot. Don't you just wish you had a similar real-time update in your construction project? It would most certainly give you the visibility you need into how well it is progressing. You get real-time progress updates and monitoring in CloseoutSoft all throughout the construction project.
Our software provides instant updates, enabling stronger decision-making at all levels. The PDF annotation feature enables the sharing of progress updates in drawings. You will get notifications on project milestones, task completion, and any changes in status. We offer comprehensive and customizable reporting in any format of your choice. And so much more.
This is definitely a game changer in the construction industry, where brick by brick, accurate updates are required. We mentioned reports earlier, but we didn't tell you how great the dashboards are to give you a bird's eye view of all the KPIs that matter.
Auto-generated progress reports compare to a baseline for all activities. A-Homes enables the monitoring of construction progress, room by room. S-Homes enables review of T&C and functionality readiness for each subsystem. D-Homes allows all stakeholders to view O&M manual, training manual, and trainer CV and other engineering documents.
We promise you, the features we have provided in our reporting module is going to make you fall in love with reporting all over again. A construction project cannot be completed if the expenses are not monitored at every stage. Thankfully, every penny spent is accounted for in CloseoutSoft. The built-in cost control has the following features.
Monitoring of each BOQ item, basis activity cost, quantity, resources, etc. Cost control measures to ensure that the project stays within budget. Total expense monitoring and recommendations to adjust plans to stay within your budget. Identifying potential financial risks and implementing strategies to mitigate them. Delay analysis report can be generated and shared with decision makers.
Get complete control over expense monitoring unlike ever before with CloseoutSoft. Assets are the heart of any construction business, with tracking and tracing them being a main responsibility of the project manager. Asset handling in CloseoutSoft comes with the following features.
Asset register is built into the software. Automatic gathering of data from the submittals like MIR and WIRs and T&C reports. Ensuring all assets end-to-end are considered and accounted for in facility management and asset handling. Automatic asset identification and generation of quantities within a template is possible. Easy gathering of all asset data from submissions of WIRs and MIRs.
Ever moved into a house and felt the walls give in or crumble when you press or push against them? No, it's not because you're a Superman. It is just that the quality of construction is poor and a readiness check was never performed before the keys were handed over to you. If a readiness check is not performed the way it should be, the customer will feel the same way too. Before the space can be handed over to the tenants, a readiness check must be performed, which CloseoutSoft is adept at performing. Here are some of the features of the occupancy takeover procedure.
Area readiness analysis, with regard to both physical preparedness and functionality. Generates document references to enable verification of area readiness of every room. Alerting client's beneficial occupancy takeover schedule in advance reduces delays. Status of testing and commissioning completion in each area is notified on time. Generates a SOTO inspection when ready, accompanied by a readiness checklist.
And so much more. We have considered all of your needs when we put this together, so it is the complete and best option for an area readiness check. We all manage documents day in and day out. You know what's the hardest part? Keeping track of where we placed each one of them and making changes in any one of them that anyone involved can see. Definitely not possible in a physical paper management system. We admit paper is great for stickies and we think it should stop there, which is why we have a digital document management system in place with the following features.
Organize, store, retrieve, and manage documents and files intuitively and efficiently. Consolidate documents in a centralized and extremely secure repository. Implement robust access controls that regulate who can view or edit documents, preventing unauthorized access. Categorization and use of metadata and keywords speed up document retrieval. Adherence to global compliance standards to ensure portability.
Now, those are certainly features you wouldn't get in just any document management system, but what we have put in place to make CloseoutSoft a one-of-a-kind software. Establishing successful project communication involves implementing a range of features and practices to ensure clear, efficient, and productive interactions among project stakeholders. The project communication module in CloseoutSoft has the following features.
Helps develop comprehensive communication, outlining the key members in a project. Keeps stakeholders informed about project progress, milestones, and changes in plans. Leverages video conferencing, messaging apps, and other collaboration tools, bringing everyone together. Maintains an organized database of communication such as letters, emails, MOMs, and other communication.
Now, you will never have these oops moments attributed to miscommunication. Things can go wrong in a construction process even after it is complete. That's why we offer features that work post-construction. Let us take a look at some of them now.
Generate punch list from consultant comments in all submittals. All snag and punch data are stored centrally, ensuring easy accessibility and approvals from anywhere. Duplicate snags are automatically identified and eliminated. Real-time updates on the status of identified snags and ongoing punch activities. Automated notifications for pending tasks and approaching deadlines. Share comments, images, and documents related to snags and punches too. Close comments automatically in MIRs and WIRs upon submittal upgrades.
Now, you don't have to worry about integrating your post-construction activities either. See, we told you we took care of it all. Facility management can be a chore, especially if you do not have visibility into the status of components and techniques used. Now, you can manage your facilities intelligently with CloseoutSoft,
aided by planned preventive maintenance.
Here are some of its main features.
Aids routine maintenance tasks of lubrication, cleaning, and calibration. Enables proactive replacement of wear-prone components, such as belts and bearings. Maintains assets with PPM, preventing unexpected failures and minimizing downtime. Enables regular reviews and improvement of the PPM program based on feedback and other data.
Rebus CloseoutSoft can be introduced at any stage of the construction project, but we suggest it be incorporated during project mobilization. In conclusion, the software helps you to generate reports automatically, customized for each user, providing detailed and clear project progress updates and unique real-time monitoring and analytics. All the forms are digital, which promotes a paperless submission environment in every office. Stacks of paper on each construction engineer's desk, we are talking to you. The clients, contractors, consultants, and operators all have access to the data, depending on their authorization levels, thanks to the document management system, which also facilitates easy tracking. Achieve a 360-degree bird's eye view of every event in each stage of the construction progress. You never had so much control. In the dynamic world of construction, CloseoutSoft is your steadfast companion. From project initiation to completion, our software empowers you to build with precision, efficiency, and confidence. If you are still not sure whether Closeout with CloseoutSoft is the way forward, here are some stats we think might help. Project teams are now saving 25% of their time with CloseoutSoft, with nearly 100% customer satisfaction. Encompassing reports with easy resubmission and auto-generated compliance statements, AutoCAD drawings with support for viewing and marking comments, and annotating in both CAD and PDF formats, and BIM 3D view. To be noted is also the feature of as-built AutoCAD drawing migration to GIS, which is also supported, saving cost and time. Lastly, and most importantly, CloseoutSoft is user-friendly and for all skill levels. So, when are you closing out that project with CloseoutSoft? Build with CloseoutSoft, where innovation meets construction excellence. Contact us today for a personalized demo and discover how CloseoutSoft can revolutionize your construction projects.